Hello, and thank you for watching. Today we are going to be making a 1 by 5 Halloween sign. I purchased a 1 by 10 board. My husband cut it in half and sanded the board, sanded the edges for me. I took a dry cloth, wiped it down to get ready to paint. I chose black paint. I think that'll look really nice with the white lettering that I chose. As I wait for my board to dry, I'm going to get my stencils ready. I chose 4-inch letters. I'm going to begin by outlining the letters with a painting pen, and then I am going to use craft paint, acrylic paint, and paint brushes to fill in the lettering. I also chose some various Halloween stencils. On the corner, I just wanted a part of a spider web on the corner. I'm going to go ahead and fill this in with my painter's pen. So I've pulled up my stencil and I have a spider web on the corner. Now I'm going to begin my lettering. I want to measure each side to make sure it's centered. I am going to outline with my painter's pen. After I have all of my letters outlined, I'm going to fill them in with the acrylic paint. Once they're all filled in, I'm going to add some other details. I'm going to add some spiders along the side. So I'll use my stencils and my white acrylic paint and a paintbrush. Add some spiders along the side of the board. I'd like to add a large spider at the bottom of the board. Now that I'm all finished and it has dried, I need to add some clear sealer to the board because I do want to put this outside and I'd like it sealed. This is my final board. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave any questions or comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.